If your man is not the first person you call if you are stuck, you need to get another man. Women, we need security. We need men who can protect us. But those men of nowadays, they don't protect their women. You know that your boyfriend have a car, but you are stuck at the night. You don't know what to do. You don't have a transport. And you know that if you call your boyfriend, he doesn't come at the time. So if you see that when you are stuck, your boyfriend doesn't help you with anything, or to say I will come, other men they will come even they don't have a car. When you call your boyfriend and say I'm stuck, I don't have transport, he can find a way or to find a plan to make a transport for you. But when you saw that you don't get help to your man, or you are stuck with money, you need money, emergency money, but you know that your boyfriend, he is going to work every day. But when you are stuck with money, your boyfriend doesn't help you. Sometimes you can understand that he doesn't have money, but every time your boyfriend, when you need money, he can give excuses every time. You have to know that you are not in a relationship, because women, we get in a relationship because we want security, men who can protect us.